So I just unboxed my new Mecpow X1 and started the alignment phase, but it seems it completely froze. It's taking much longer than it should, and this is what I hear. So you can hear the noise and you can see the dot. So we have to wait for initialization to be completed. Uh-oh. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. For those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shibabs. In this second part of our video series, we're going to be fixing a problem on our Mecpow X1 module laser engraver. Just a quick heads up, I want to clarify that this video is not sponsored, nor do I have any business ties with Mecpow. Everything we do on this channel is focused on honest unboxings and helpful tutorials to ensure you get the most out of your tech investments. That being said, let's get started. Laser misalignment usually points to one of two main issues: mechanical play or software configuration issues. Since you are using a dual laser system, a calibration offset could also be causing the problem. If this is a problem you have, let's see how you can fix it. The most common culprit is a mechanical slip, which could be 1. The belts. Here you might want to check the belts to see if they're loose. If so, you tighten. In this case, that's not the problem, because we're not using belts. The centric spacer V wheels, if you can spin them easily with your fingers without moving the axis, they're too loose and you should adjust them. This is not the case in our machine either. The third problem is what we're going to see in this video. Check the screws on the pulleys. So before we start, a little heads up. Laser processing can be risky and users should carefully consider whether the object to be processed is suitable for laser work. Before we continue with this part of the fix, make sure your machine is totally disconnected from any electrical source, and also make sure to remove the USB key also. Next, we're going to remove the grub screws that are holding the back plates. You will need a hex tool size 2mm or 5/64" for this, and you can find it in the set of tools that came with your package. Bring the laser head to the height of the machine, to the height of the stand, let's just say. After this, we need to make sure the tiny grub screws holding the belt pulleys onto the stepper motor shaft haven't vibrated loose. If they have, that's one of the reasons you might be experiencing the slips on the motor shaft and your laser will lose its true position. If the grub screws are loose, tighten with a hex tool. You will find most tools already in the set that came with a machine, and you're gonna need the smallest size. That's size 1.5mm or 1/16 inches to do this job. The thing here is this machine didn't come with this size, so you're gonna have to check in your toolbox to see if you have one or go buy one. So we're gonna plug this, put in our keys, turn on, and you see that it's moving. If you find the grub screws are a bit difficult to reach and so a little bit difficult to tighten, you can plug the engraver for a second, put the USB key in and let it roll to change sides, then you tighten. That's basically as far as we'll need to go. We're gonna test the machine and you can see that it is working as it's supposed to be, like right off the bat. I hope this video has been helpful to you and has given you enough information about the Mecpow X1. I really think I'm gonna enjoy tinkering with this machine. If you're interested in knowing more about it, the initial setup, the software and other features, you can click the link below or on the end screen to access the next part. I appreciate your time watching this video. Let me know what you think about the Mecpow, or if you have any questions, or if you already have any experiences you would like to share, leave them down below in the comment section. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to receive a notification every time we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.